Get out the way. Get out the way. I'm coming right for you. Get out the way.
Hi everybody and welcome to my channel and welcome to another Toyota Supra. Apologise for being so long. I've been waiting for issue 44, which, as you know from the last ones, was a part missing. So that's come and I've done that. So now we'll move on to issue 45. When we get to the other cam, I'll show you, well, 44, what I've done, though it's just a wiring. I'll give you a quick view of that. We've got a free gift with this pack, I'll show you that, and then we'll get on with the bit that's come. So first thing we will do is we'll go through the magazine. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and please leave a comment. Okay, issue 45. Bit rusty tonight. I haven't been videoed for a while. So that's the magazine. This is the parts we're doing. We're building a remote control, and looks like we're testing some of the wires, testing the circuits. So yep, that's what we're doing. So there's the ports. I'll get them open in a tick. Here's the freebie. A nice Fast and Furious cup. So that's another cup for my son's collection. Quickly get part 44 down. I mean the car down. So that's now all wired up. That was the part that was missing. So I've had to wait weeks. Well, they sent it out with pack 11. So eventually comes. So I've got all the wiring in. Just got to put some batteries in this once we get the remote done. Batteries in the remote, and we'll do some testing. So back in a tick with the remote, building a remote control. Okay, here we go. We've got this part and this part. It's going to fit in there like so. And I'm going to fit that over the top like so. Clip it together. Now I'm going to get the battery. I hope I've got the right battery. That's going to click in there. there's the remote done. So that's that. I'll get the car, I'll get the batteries in the car, and then we'll see how the lights work. Okay, now the wires are all over the shop, so but this is just a test. So let's see what it says first. Press that, turns it on. Now what's supposed to happen? Press, turn that on, off, switch. Right, well I've hit that, that's done now. Right, press that, should play the horn. Oh, that's volume up. Okay, that. Engine sound. I don't know what that's doing. Oh, you're gonna have this engine sound on. Okay, right. So that's turning on. I don't know if you can see the lights turning on. That's turning on these lights. Hang on, what I'll do is I'll reduce some light in here. And you should be able to see them light up. So that's turned on that light. That's turned on them other lights. That's turned on them lights. That's turned on indicators there. That's turned on the other indicators. There's your brake lights, you can just see it. That's your hazard warning lights. There's, looks like your front high beam. And there's other lights, so, well, looks like it's all lit up. Plus, so that looks like everything's working. Turn the bloody car, turn the hazards off at the moment. After indicators, right indicator, bit clicky. You got these lit up. So that's our all lit up. So that's issue 45 done. So let's see, there's my Christmas tree, as I call it, all lit up, nicely done. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you with issue 46, where I believe I'm going to be disconnecting a lot of these cables. We're going to be doing some work on the front and tidying some of these cables up. So goodbye from me.